Oh, so suddenly you're poison the air I breathe. But if you don't hate me, then why would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I'm about to lose control. Only so much I'm taking, so get yourself to safety. Cause baby, a storm is coming. You better heed the one and pray. Don't stay, run away, 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 away. Feel how the rain is pouring. I'm at you like a hurricane. Don't stay, run away, 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 away.
I erased the border of the honey because it is so unreal. Then I go to the stickers, and from stickers I search for shadows. Then I use it for the shadow of the border of the honey to look better and real. Then I go to the curves and pull the curves down to make it darker. Then with eraser, I erase my subject's face. Then go to the effects and go to the colors and choose color gradient. I choose these two colors, but it is optional to you and you can choose any color you want.
Cause